What's up, YouTube? 2012 Bowman Platinum Blaster Box. Second one from my brother.
Let's get into it.
Trying to get the base. No Joe 9. So we got 8 packs. Okay. That's the box. Put the packs on top there.
Okay, first pack.
4 cards per pack.
David Price.
David Price, Manny Buenos, Mike Napoli, Green, Prince Fielder. Second pack. Okay. Joey Bats, Nestor Moneda, I don't know. David Wright, Gold, Andre Ether. Molina. Derek Jeter. Zach Wheeler. Talk Prospects. Bryce Brentz. Mark Teixeira. Hoping for an auto here.
Miguel Cabrera.
Joey Votto. Heath Hembry. Got him last night. Evan Longoria. So we got 4 counting. Dan Ugla, Chris Archer, Ryan Braun die cut, Juice in Hebrew, Tim Hudson. So 3 packs. Nelson Cruz, King Felix, Daniel Corsino, Ryan Zimmerman.
Last 2.
Jose Reyes,
Mr. Jose.
Tyler Thornburg, Buster Posey, Freddie Freeman, the Hick. Last pack, probably no auto. Got a rookie, Tyler Pasternicki, rookie. Jake Marshnick, Brett Jackson, Willen Rosario, rookie. Alright.
Peace.